I grew up in a shore town in New Jersey and was surrounded by beautiful bayfront homes. I used to walk up and down the boardwalk and imagine that I lived in the houses and fell in love with all of these beautiful homes. And that's what sparked my interest in real estate. The word home invokes a lot of feelings. Home symbolizes love, rest, and calmness. To me, it's more of a collective word. At its very core, home is not just where my heart is, but the hearts of those I love and trust. I spend a lot of time being hyper-focused on work, so when I have downtime, I like to really disconnect and recharge with my family. One of my favorite things about Coldwell Banker Elite is that we are client-focused and we always adjust to the ever-changing market conditions. What guides me every day as a real estate agent is my clients. My client's goal is my mission. A key step in this process is to consult with each of my clients on how to prepare their home so it will show and photograph in the best possible light. As an accredited stager, I offer mixed media staging to all of my listing clients. This involves me bringing some of my own stock and pieces to help them stage their home for showings and for the photography, as well as consulting with them on how to arrange their furniture, what things to tuck away, what things to bring out, so that the home shows as good as it could. Interacting with my clients and understanding their why is what helps me crystallize a plan to guide my clients through the transaction. I'm in the business of selling homes, but more so, I'm in the business of people. I haven't lost my curiosity for all things real estate, and that'll be my mindset until the day I retire. Based on what I already know from years of experience in the housing industry and what I learn about my clients, I'm able to prioritize their objectives, come up with a strategy, and execute the plan. I love my family, I care for my community, and I'm passionate about my life's work, which is selling real estate. I'm Heather Ferris with Coldwell Banker Elite.